Shiba Inu, SHIB, was the token that made a meager $750 investment pay off to generate $1.5 million. 2 years later, PayPay Dollar PayPay, had a comparable rise. Now, a fresh cryptocurrency is attracting investors' attention, Rexas Finance, RXS, which has great potential returns and is likely to follow Shiba Inu and PayPay Coin. Shiba Inu, SHIB, in 2021. Originally a meme coin meant as a light-hearted substitute for Dogecoin, Shiba Inu began as such. But in 2021 it surged in value, being among the most often discussed cryptocurrencies of the year. Thanks to viral social media advertising, celebrity sponsorships, and the general crypto market boom, which helped the coin get traction, the price of SHIB shot through. Early investors would have found great benefits. Early in 2021, a $750 investment might have purchased trillions of SHIB tokens. That initial investment became over $1.5 million by October 2021, when the token skyrocketed by over 500,000%. Shiba Inu's explosive ascent confirmed to the crypto community that meme coins could yield significant gains, therefore securing their position in the annals of crypto success tales. Explosive rise of PayPay Coin in 2023. Another meme coin shocked the crypto scene in 2023, PayPay Coin, Dollar PayPay. Launched in April 2023 during the depths of the crypto winter, PayPay Coin started trading silently and few people anticipated it would be the next major trend. But the token burst in value a few weeks later. Early May 2023, PayPay's price had risen more than 5,000%. On their investment, some early backers experienced an incredible 322,000x return. At one point, PayPay Coin's trading volume exceeded that of even well-known joke coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Its market worth was an astounding $1.5 billion. Many of the other meme tokens, including Sponge, Floki Inu, AI Doge, and Wall Street memes, which PayPay Coin inspired, also had notable popularity. PayPay Coin's development confirmed the possibility of meme currencies to make early investors wealthy and supported the theory that little, under-the-radar tokens may yield large returns. Rexas Finance, RXS, the next penny token with millionaire maker potential. These days, the emphasis is on Rexas Finance, RXS, a new cryptocurrency many think might copy the success of Shiba Inu and PayPay Coin. At under 9 cents right now, Rexas Finance is positioned as the next great prospect for anyone looking for life-changing profits. From real estate and art to intellectual property, Rexas Finance is a breakthrough tool enabling people worldwide to tokenize actual assets. Rexas Finance wants to democratize asset management by using blockchain technology, therefore increasing transparency, efficiency, and inclusiveness of asset management. Rexas Finance distinguishes itself from the sea of meme coins by emphasizing real-world asset tokenization, therefore orienting it for long-term success. The road Rexas Finance takes to reach the market adds even more appeal. Rexas Finance has depended on a pre-sale path rather than venture capital funding to keep faithful to its community-driven culture. Pre-sale right now is 91.44% complete and in stage 7. Out of the $16,250,000 aim, investors have already amassed $14,362,724. Of these, 224,027,994 tokens have been sold. Future-wise, Rexas Finance seems to be bright. With a listing price of 20 cents, the cryptocurrency is set to list on 3 of the top 10 exchanges worldwide in the first quarter of 2025. Furthermore, Rexas Finance's most recent CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings present investors with chances to monitor the token's development pre- and post-listing. Another big reason for Rexas Finance's increasing reputation is its most recent audit by top blockchain security company Certic. This audit lends more assurance to the integrity and security of the platform. Rexas Finance is positioned to profit from the unrealized market of real-world asset tokenization as Bitcoin and the wider market keep their increasing trend. Like Shiba Inu and PayPay, Rexas Finance might see a spike of up to 1,000,000% returns. Final thought. Shiba Inu and PayPay have shown that, with the correct cent token at the correct moment, one may make life-changing gains. Rexas Finance is already leading the way among the upcoming possible millionaire makers tokens. Rexas Finance presents a good prospect for early investors with its creative method of tokenizing actual assets, high pre-sale success, and prospects for exchange listings. Should it perform like its forebears, it may make a small investment a fortune. Rexas Finance might be the token to keep an eye on for anybody wishing to be in early on the next great thing in cryptocurrencies.